Hey guys, it's JumpComputer and I have a very special video today. If some of you've seen a past video or two, I mentioned that one of my favorite subscription boxes contacted me and sent me stuff to review for you guys. This isn't sponsored, they're not paying me, they're literally just sending me things to unbox for you. And at the end of the video, there will be a surprise. All right, so I do a series called Battle of the Boxes, and it features Boutique, which is what we have here, versus BoxyCharm. Well, Boutique reached out to me. I've been a longtime subscriber of them, and when I say subscriber, I mean I pay for my boxes. This is the only thing they've ever sent me. All the other boxes and reviews was unknown to them. So they sent me this special limited edition box set. So just a few important key points about this. This limited edition premium beauty box. This contains full-size products of skincare, body care, and makeup items. This retails for $29.99. It is a one-time box. It's not part of the subscription service. Then they have a limited edition premium mask box, and this retails for $15, and it comes with 15 masks in here. They include regular sheet masks, as well as bubble masks, lip masks, and eye masks. I'm saying masks weird. But anyway, so that equals like $1 a mask, which is pretty cool. I'm going to unbox them for you and talk about them. So we're gonna do the beauty box first. So the first thing I see here is a modeling gel mask pack. These are kind of cool because they're masks, but you kind of make them yourself, and they're kind of like a gel consistency, which I actually really enjoy. So this is the Eureka Charcoal Premium Modeling Gel Mask Pack. This retails for $7.99. Typically found in Korean beauty spas, this rubber modeling mask blends hyaluronic acid and activated charcoal for a purifying yet hydrating treatment. And you kind of look crazy when you put them on because they look like they're dripping, but then they harden, not harden, but like they solidify, and then it looks like your face is melting off. It's kind of cool. Anyway, all right, the next is the Bob Mickey Blackhead Cleanser. This retails for $18. Volcanic ash and floral extracts work together with this unique massaging silicone brush to exfoliate and improve skin circulation. So I will show you exactly what this is. All the product is in here. And then here is a little brush that you massage and cleanse your skin with, which I love kind of cleansing devices, so I think this is fun. All right, the next product is actually one that I highly enjoyed in the past. This is the Maven Water Volume Aqua Gel Cream. This gel type cream contains a mix of glacial water and herbal extracts to soothe and replenish the skin's natural barrier. I recommend if you try this to put this in the fridge because it's very refreshing that way. All right, the next is from Elizveka, and this is the Witch Piggy Hell Pore Control Hyaluronic Acid. This retails for $15. And this contains hyaluronic acid to plump up fine lines and wrinkles for a smooth, dewy complexion. Apply a few drops of the serum into palms and gently press serum into skin and pat until absorbed. Hyaluronic acid is fantastic for you, no matter the age. If you're young, this is great to prevent fine lines and wrinkles, and if you're of the older nature, it helps to disguise them. All right, the next smells fucking crazy. This is the Mayo Hair Pack by Nature Inside, and it's banana scented. It smells like candied bananas. If you like deep conditioners, this is fantastic for you. Show your locks some TLC with this intensive hair mask. This blend of banana, egg yolk, and mayonnaise works to deeply moisturize and nourish strands from root to tip. This retails for $10. All right, the next is one of my favorite eye creams. This is from Maven again. This is the Collagen Power Firming Eye Cream. I actually used up one of these and I really enjoyed it. This retails for $9, specifically formulated with marine collagen, organic argan oil, and hyaluronic acid to restore and improve skin's elasticity. The next is a really good lip product. This is the Tony Moly Kiss Kiss Lip Balm. This retails for $10. This adorable lip balm contains honey extract and SPF 15 to deeply nourish, soothe, and protect chapped lips. The last thing in here is Annie's Way Jelly Spray in Calendula. This retails for $10. This easy-to-use jelly spray fully absorbs into skin with minimal evaporation. It softens, hydrates, and brightens the skin. Wonderful. Now, as I was going through this box, I'm sure you could hear me say, I like this or I tried this. The reason this is a limited edition box is because this contains some of the most loved products that have been in past boxes. So I've tried almost all of them. All right, the second and last box is the Mask Maven box. I haven't actually gotten any of these subscriptions from them, so this is the first that I'm seeing this, but because the months are colder now and I'm getting older, I tend to appreciate sheet masks and masks more, and one of the ways that I like to use a sheet mask is prior to makeup application. It's like one of my favorite ways. You won't believe how much better your face makeup will go on after you use one of these. Just saying. All right, so this retails for $15, like I said, and this contains 15 masks. So I'll just quickly go through them and tell you what's in here. The first is by Annie's Way, and this is the Ginkgo and Seaweed Anti-Wrinkle Eye Mask. It's an eye mask. I've never used one that looks like a mask. Like, I've used the under eye, like little boomerang looking ones, but I've never tried like a full-on mask, so I'm intrigued by this one. The next is from, Berry Some, I'm sorry. And this is the Soda Bubble Mask with Brightening Fruit. Oh, and this is one of the like half masks, so it goes from your nose, under eye, down. The next is from Tony Moly, and this is the Panda's Dream Eye Patch. Oh, so this is like a full-on eye mask, like it's a circle and you put it over your eyes. It's like putting cucumbers on your eyes, I guess. Yes, Tony Moly has a face cream that's called Panda's Dream. It's incredible. All right, the next is a lip mask, and this is the SOS My Lip Mask, again by Berry Some. The next is from Leaders. This is the Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask with pineapple and coconut, and it's a gel mask. I love gel masks. I just feel like they adhere to the skin better and hydrate more for some reason. All right, the next is a bubble tea mask. This is for oil balancing, soothing, and moisturizing, and this is by Annie's Way again. The next is another bubble mask, and if you don't know what a bubble mask is, this is what it is. It's a mask that kind of bubbles on your skin. It's like a cleansing mask, I guess. So this is the Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask in Charcoal, and this is by Pure Derm. I will definitely use this. I'll probably actually use this today when I'm done taking all this makeup off. The next is from Esfolio, and this is the Pearl Essence. Why can't I talk? Pearl Essence Mask Sheet. And this is for moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. The next is again by Esfolio. This is the Honey Essence Mask, and this is again is for moisture and nourishment. The next is by Joyce. Tassio Girls on Period. Oh my god, stop. Do you look off color while on your period? This mask helps give you a pink and fresh complexion for girls with your periods. I love this. This is for oil balance and dull skin. That is so funny. And you know what? That's brilliant because how many of us have breakouts and like shitty skin during our periods? I know I friggin' do. All right, the next is from Innisfree, and this is the It's Real Squeeze Mask in the flavor lime? Scent lime? I don't know. Okay, so this helps brighten uneven skin tones. The next is a rose mask, and this is by It's Skin, and it's for moisture and vitality, and this is a regular sheet mask. Oh, I see a panda. This is the My Panda Synergy Up Collagen Mask by Doll Kiss. And what's special about this? Hydrolyzed collagen and plumps up fine lines and wrinkles. I will definitely use that because I ain't looking younger. All right, and the last two things in here are like body care masks. So this is for your hands and this is for your feet. If you have dry hands and feet, I definitely would recommend because I've heard great things about these in general. Now on to the fun stuff. This is actually a giveaway video, and I'm giving away the contents of the skincare box, like the beauty box. So if you are interested in winning the contents of this wonderful box, make sure you read the description box below for the rules and how long it's open for, and make sure you head over to the Beautique website. Again, it'll be linked below. It's not an affiliate link, you'll just head over there because they have way more exciting Black Friday deals that I will again list in the box below if you're interested in checking it out. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and next time I'll see you guys later. Bye.